Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn about this Magefriend module GeoIP. So basically I want to record the customer IP. For this we have to use this module GeoIP, right? So currently I'm facing one of the issue here, which is where it is in the bags, this one. Class GeoIP database reader not found. So I'm facing this issue. To how to solve this issue, we need to require this package, that is sudo composer GeoIP. So you need to add this one to resolve this issue. So let me check this. Okay, so this is added. So let's if it is added, then check it is the issues goes or not. So let me check this, reloading this one. So you can see that the issue resolves. Okay, and currently you can see that GeoIP database, it was developed by this one, the IP address is this one, so it's not showing my correct IP address also. So we will check this one, like how we are going to solve that problem and all. So in the coming videos we are going to do that one. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing such kind of issue, then you need to do that one. Okay, thank you so much, have a great day.